Krishna, write the question L1, L2, L3. These are some values based on these three lists, and we have to display the output like this. We have to use extend function. Write the program based on this question.
Ma'am,
Okay.
that adds individual elements of list 2 and 3 to list 1 means we have to use L1 extend, right?
Which one, Achut?
No, ma'am, we have to add list 2 and 3 into list 1.
1. Okay, okay. List 1.
So we have to write L1 extend and in the bracket.
No, L1 extend. Before that, we have to add some add L2 to L3. First, we have to display L3. No. So first add L2 to L3. After that, add L1 to that particular result. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
First use L3 dot extend. L3 dot extend, which one? L2. So this is the result. After that, extend with not L2, here it is L1. ABC, L1. After that, add L2. Completed, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the answer. Read the first three statements. Aryan?
L1 is equal to ABC. L2 is equal to Hij.
Okay.
L3 is equal to 0, 1, 2.
The next statement.
L3 dot extend.
L3 dot extend
L1.
L1. Then next statement. Srihari. Next statement.
L3 dot extend L2.
L3 dot extend L2. The next statement.
Print L3.
Print L3. Correct, Srihari. So I will just explain this program. That is, first I want to create a list based on ABC. That is the first list, L1. After that I create one L2 with value Hij and L3 with value 0, 1, 2. So our output is, first I want to display 0, 1, 2. That is L3. After that I want to display L1. Then only I want to display L2. So first I want to display L3, then L1, then L2. So I extend L3 with L1. So I want to update this L3 list using L1. For that I am using the statement L3 dot extend L1. So what is the value of L3? L3 it is 0, 1, 2. So L3 dot extend L3 means after L3 it will extend this L3 with L1. Which are the values of L1? It is A, B and C. So after executing this statement, L3 content is this. Okay, we are updating L3. That's why we are writing L3 dot extend L1. We are updating L3 with value L1. Okay, so L3 dot extend of L1 means the L3 value is there. We extend this L3 with the values of L1. So 0, 1, 2 is L3 and the L1 values are A, B, C. Then again I want to update L3. So the content of L3 it is, I want to display like L3, L1 and L2. So now L3 includes L3 and L1. Here L3 is there and L1 is also there. Then I want to add L2 also. So I again use L3 dot extend. I will extend this L3 with values L2. So L3 values are 0, 1, 2, A, B, C dot extend L2. Here L2 values are here Hij. So it will add Hij to this list. So it is Hij. Then the final result is in L3 because we are extending L3. First we extend L3 with L1 and after that the content of L3 and L1 is there in L3 and after that I extend L3 with L2. So the final result is in L3. So for getting the output we just print L3. Is it clear, Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt? No. Write another program. The same list. Given 3 list. L1 ABC, L2 Hij, L3 0, 1, 2.
Which
Yes.
are you using?
I am completing the question. Just write the list elements. Given 3 list as L1 is equal to ABC, L2 is equal to Hij and L3 is equal to 0, 1, 2. Write a program. Write a program that adds. Write a program. Shivani, Emmanuel, switch on the video. All of you switch on the video. That adds list 2 and 3 to list 1. List 2 and 3 to list 1 as single element each. Single element each. The resultant list should be in the order of. The resultant list should be in the order of list 3, comma list 1, comma list 2. Use insert command. Use insert command. Insert function. Use insert function. In insert function we are using 2 arguments. Okay. First we want to mention the index value, in which position we want to insert that elements, and then we want to give the list value, list name. That is insert 0, L1 or insert 2, L1, just like that. Okay. That is the syntax of insert function.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I don't
get
know the question.
question. Okay. The question is, list is already there. List 1 ABC, list 2 HIJ, list 3 0 1 2. Then write a program that add list 2 and 3 to list 1. 2 and 3 to list 1. Okay. The resultant list should be list 3, list 1, list 2. You want to add list 2 and list 3 to list 1, but it is in the order of list. The output will be list 3, list 1, list 2. So the insert function is based on list 1. Okay. L1 dot, you want to use L1 dot. Okay. Here the question is, write a program that adds list 2 and 3 to list 1. List 2 and 3 to list 1. Okay. So we are using insert function based on L1. So we want to insert L2 and L3 in correct order of L1. As a single element means what? As a single element, your output is like this.
The first element will be.
First element is, it's not 0, it is L3. Okay, this L3 is used as a single element. So here there is a square bracket. This is a single element, L3. And L2 is also a single element. So the output is displayed like this. Within square bracket, the first element is a list. So it is in square bracket. Last element is also a list. That is single element insertion. The previous question, it is not, the result will be without the square bracket. All the elements are like individual elements. But here L3 is used as a single element. So this list is a single element. So after L3 a comma is there. So this is the first element. Then after second is there, third is there, fourth is there, fifth it is another list. Is it clear, Diya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Completed, Krishna? Okay. Ashwin? Completed?
No, ma'am. Some more.
Okay. Manual completed. Gauri completed. Okay. Achyut, what is the first statement after list creation?
Ma'am, L1 dot insert 0 comma L2
0 comma
L3.
L3. Okay. Aditya completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the meaning of this statement? Is it a correct statement? Aditya? L1 dot insert 0 comma L3.
Ma'am, I think so it's correct.
Yes. What is the meaning of that statement?
We are adding the list L3 to the first index value.
Okay,
So
correct.
before ABC, this list will be printed.
Okay, okay. So, we are inserting L3 in the index 0 of L1. That is the meaning. Okay. L1 dot insert 0 comma L3 means I am inserting L3 in the index of index 0 of L1. Okay. Here L1 is there. Now the 0 index value is A, but I am inserting L3 in the position of 0. Okay. Here the index value is 0, 1, 2. I am just move these elements to next position and we are inserting L3 in the 0 index. Now the value it is L3 it is 0, 1, 2. After that the values are A, B, C. Is it clear, Krishna?
Yes.
Okay. So L1 dot insert, we are inserting to the list L1. In which position? 0th position. With which value? L3 list. Okay. We are inserting L3 in 0th position of L1. So this is the 0th position of L1. This is the 0th position of L1. Here it is 1, 2, 3, just like that. Okay. So here it is the 0th position of L1. We are inserting L3 list to this position. Okay. Ashwin, read the next statement.
L1 dot insert
L1 dot insert.
2 comma L2.
L1 dot insert. Oh, our output is, how is the output? It is L3, L1, L2. Okay. L1 dot insert
2 comma L2.
2 comma L2. What is the meaning of this statement? Is it correct, Adul?
L2 is in the second index.
L2 is in the second index. Then, is it correct, Adul?
I think it should be 4.
Yes, it is 4. Ashwin, if it is 2, what will happen? Now the list is this. Okay. 0th position 0, 1, 2 is there. First position A is there. Second position B. So, in this statement, we are inserting L2 in the second position. So, the result it is here it will appear. L2 will appear here. L2 it is Hij. Instead of B, it will appear Hij. Okay, that is the problem. Then, how we will write, Ashwin? Correct the statement. We want to display Hij here.
Write 4 instead of 2.
Yes, it is 4. 4 comma L2. Okay, so the fourth position, that is A, B, C is there. C is in the third position. So we have to insert in the fourth position with L2. Then any other statement? Anyone? L1 dot insert 0 comma L3, L1 dot insert 4 comma L2, other than any other statement with any other index value?
Mom,
Yes,
I did with 6 and I got the same answer.
6. Is it 6, Gauri?
Yes, mom.
Okay. Then another one? Any other? Any other statement? I will just write like this.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
Okay.
If L is the list A, comma B, comma D, then if you're giving L dot insert 2, comma C, then what would be the output?
L1 is A, B, C, D.
No, A, B, D.
A, B, D. Okay. Then
L1 dot insert is 2, comma C.
insert 2 comma
C.
2 comma C.
Yeah.
Then 0, 1, 2. Here C will come. After that D will come.
So it will be A, B, C, D. Right?
Yes. A, B, C, D. Okay. Then is it correct, Gauri? L1 insert 3 comma L2, L1 dot insert 0 comma L3.
Yes, ma'am. If we give 6, or even then we'll get the same answer.
Okay. You check this insert statements also. This is also correct. Your statement is also correct. That means I am first adding L2 with L2 in the third position. After that I am adding L3 with 0th position. That is the only difference. You can do in any way. Okay. Shivani, is it clear? Okay. Then write the next program. Write a program that checks for presence of a value inside a dictionary and prints its key. Shivani, Emmanuel, Aryan, switch on the video. write a program that checks for presence of a value inside a dictionary and prints its key. The dictionary values are RIA CSC, RIA, key it is RIA and the value it is CSC, computer science CSC. Then second pair mark ECO, economics, mark ECO. Then Kamal SC, Kamal SC, science. Okay, these are the key values in info in the dictionary. Okay, so create the dictionary. What is the meaning of that question? Okay,
What was the second key? Was it mark?
mark ECO, economics, ECO. Mark is the name and ECO is the subject. Okay, so the program it is check for presence of a value inside a dictionary. That means you want to search value in the dictionary. Okay, that is the program. If I will give a value like ECO, you want to search it in the dictionary using traversal method, using for loop. Okay, using for loop you want to search that ECO in that dictionary. Okay, just like list traversal. So first you want to create the dictionary, after that input the searched value, input the value that we want to search. That is the second statement. First we want to create the dictionary using that values. After that a variable is equal to enter the value used for searching. Okay, if you want to search the value ECO, you want to input that value in the second statement. So the second statement is for inputting the search element. After that you want to search. You can use if statement, then for loop, and the function we are using it is values.